so good that I can. Let me show you all my sounds I can do. Y'all couldn't hear that. That's why I did this. So I can go in the camera. Let me try it one more time. If y'all don't even know. That's one of my weirdest sounds ever. One of my weirdest sounds ever. So you don't understand? You have to use your brain. You have to you know what I said? I said use your brain. Use your brain or you can't do that aim. I wanna say use your brain. Use your game. Use your brain or you can't use your game. That was it. This is the movement. This is how I say AJ in this language. That was right now. Let me show you another one. That was one. Let me show you one like this. That was J-I-A. It was an A-A. You have to do this. And you have to do this. And this one is the hardest. Oh, didn't do it. A-J. That was one of my ones. And this one I can make. So you need a straw for this one. This is all I got. And wow. I'm gonna show you all of them. Guys, those are my sounds.